Alright guys, am I audible? Am I audible? At the same time, my video is clear means just type clear Bernie in the chat box and in our day 6 we created a beautiful website and today also what we are going to do is we are going to add the next viewport of our website. Okay, yes, so happy evening, happy to see the all interested people. Okay, so welcome and alright guys, so kindly don't ask me the code. Okay, so try to do by your own. So yes, because that is only going to provide you lot of knowledge for you. Okay, yes, clearly listen. Yes, audible. Thank you so much, clear Bernie and all clear Bernie. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. So before entering into our meeting, in our previous day class, we saw about CSS position and how many of you ready for today's find yourself? Because till so many members yet to join. Okay, so before that, we'll see a small glance at the same time. How many of you ready for today's find yourself? Just type ready Bernie in the chat box. So today's find yourself is going to be like a continuation. Okay, like so this concept is going to be like 7C concept. Okay, so what is mean by 7C? Yes, ready? Alright guys, so this is the technique which is followed and then which is following by the most of the successful person in the foreign countries. Okay, 7C. So the first C is going to be clarity. Okay, the first C is going to be clarity because your first problem means you don't have the clarity. How many of you agree this? So I need to study Python, or I need to study data analytics, or I need to study full stack development, Moon stack, or Mean stack, or I need to prepare for government exam. So this is your first problem. Okay. So what you are guys doing? So studying 1 month Python, studying 1 month JavaScript, studying 2 months Java, and then you guys are not having the deep knowledge in any of those technology. Okay, so that is your problem. Yes, agree. So that's why what you need to have is you need to have a clarity path. Okay, I'm going to spend 6 months on Monstack. I'm going to learn what are the technologies needed for a front-end developer. I'm going to learn within the 6 months. Same like that, you need to choose a particular technology with the highest clarity. Okay, always clear? So clear means just type clear Barney in the chat box and so don't worry, there are remaining 6C letter words are there. We will see one by one in our upcoming classes. So everything is important. So that's why I explain you in a notepad itself. Okay. Yes. The first C is going to be clarity. Yes. Clear Barney. Okay. And moreover, in our previous day class, we saw about position properties. Okay, listen to me. Always have a clarity. Without clarity, do nothing, guys. Because so you need to visualize that. Okay, after 6 months, I am going to be a monster developer. Okay, so today is day one. What I need to do? Okay, I need to start with HTML. I need to start with CSS. Always clear? Okay, I hope so many people join in our day 5 and then day 6 we saw the same concept CSS position. So this position property provide the solution to arrange our HTML elements apart from the basic structure. Okay, mainly the relative and then absolute. So without relative and then absolute, we cannot be able to change the normal position of the HTML. So that is the document flow. So now what we are doing? So in our previous class, what we had done? Yes, we changed the normal position, and this is our beautiful website which we created in our day 6. It is beautiful. It is beautiful means, and how many of you enjoyed the day 6 class? Just type wow Barani with one heart and then fire emoji. Okay. So today, what we are going to do is we are going to add the next viewport. So that means this is our first viewport. Okay, this is our first viewport. In today's class, what we are going to do is, I will tell you slowly and clearly. And don't worry, in our next day class, we are going to see about JavaScript. So don't miss the JavaScript day one, because if you miss the day one means definitely you cannot be able to understand the structure and then the class flow. Okay. Yes. So wow, Bharani. So happy to see your comments. Thank you so much, guys. Now, what we are going to do today is, so this is like geometry box 1, your box. And this is like geometry box 2, your friend's box, okay? And this is going to be named as main 2. It is going to be, listen to me, it is the class name. It is going to be named as main division 2. And this one is going to be first subdivision of second main division. And then 2 of 2, 2 of 3, and then 2 of 4. So listen very carefully, observe the difference. It is subdivision 1 1, it is subdivision 2 1, it is 1 2, it is 2 2. Okay, the second subdivision of second main division. So that way, in this manner, you can easily name your classes, easily name your divisions. Okay, are you guys clear? Yes. So kindly wait. It is clear means just type OK Bharani in the chat box. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to create another viewport. So another 100% height and then 100% width. Okay, by using the same concept as I told you before, from day 5, day 6, day 7, we are going to use the same concept again and again and again. So even though you don't understand till now, listen today, we can able to understand. So in our next day class, we are going to see about JavaScript. Okay, this is our final CSS concept, because we don't have much time. Okay, yes. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to create another viewport. Before that, this is our normal output. Okay, the parent division. Inside the parent division, a absolute division 1, absolute division 2, an absolute division 3 and 4 and then 5. So which is nothing but, this is our main division, guys. Listen to me. I'm going to delete one by one. Listen. I'm going to delete subdivision 1 4. I'm going to delete subdivision 1 3. I'm going to delete subdivision 1 2. I'm going to delete subdivision 1 1. It is clear? So now we can see that only the main division is present here. Okay, only the main division is present here. It is okay. So now what we are going to do means, inside the parent division, the main division, we are going to absolutely place a subdivision on the left side bottom. Same like that. Here what we are going to do is, we are going to place the subdivision 1 1, a logo. That logo is on the top right side. And then same like that, subdivision 1 2, the name of the company, Bugatti. Yes, that is on the left side, absolutely. Okay, so inside the relative container, absolutely on the left side. And then subdivision 1 3, a table. So now the table is present on the left side, middle, absolutely. And then the final one, so Bugatti and then Veyron. A span tag is used here. Okay, yes, here you can see this text is placed on the center, and we are providing some CSS. Okay, yes. So this is called as, the main division is called as relative. So this is subdivision 1, subdivision 2, subdivision 3 and then subdivision 4. Now it is clear. So this is what we had done in our previous day class. It is clear means just type clear Bharani in the chat box again. Okay, very simple. So before entering into our class, a small announcement: no attendance link will be there. So more than 70% you need to be present inside our class timing, and then minimum 25 days required to get a free certificate. So use the same mail ID, and moreover, to join the community group link. So you can ask your doubts there. Don't ask your doubt here, okay? Kindly don't ask your doubt here. So listen to me. Take notes. If you have laptop means work on it. Don't have laptop means try to write the program from each and every line, okay? So now you guys ready means yes, clear Barney, okay? Just type let's code with one fire emoji in the chat box. So now what we are going to do is, as we already planned, we are going to create the second subdivision with the same viewport and then same viewport height and viewport width, okay? So 100 viewport width, 100 viewport height. Yes, it is clear. Okay, done. Okay, let's go. So now what we are going to do is, I'm going to the end of the first division. Listen to me. So here, sometimes you do the mistake like this. You need to came out of the main division 1. You need to came out of the main division 1. So afterwards only, but you need to be stay inside the body tag. You need to be stay inside the body tag. Now I am going to create a new division. Okay, so now I am going to create a new division. So inside the division, I am going to name it as main division 2. So already the main division 1 is completed. Now it's time for main division 2. So now what we are going to do is dot main division 2. The width is going to be 100 viewport width. The height is going to be 100 viewport height. The background color is going to be, now we can provide, okay, so black color. Here you can see it is our first viewport. It is our first viewport, and then it is our second viewport with the background color black. It is clear. So main division 1 and then main division 2. It is clear means just type clear Bernie in the chat box. What is meant by viewport? So viewport means my entire screen, the entire viewport I can able to view. So it covers the 100% width of the viewport and then 100% height of the viewport. For example, in case if you provide only 50 means, you can see only 50% width is going to be covered. Yes, clear. Thank you so much, guys. So only 50% is going to be covered. What about 5%? Only 5% of my width is going to be covered. So that's why we provide 100% width, 100% height for our second main division. So now what we are going to do here is, I'm going to provide a 2 subdivision, okay? So here 100 width cross 100 height, okay? The area of the second subdivision is going, second main division is going to be 100% width and then 100% height. So listen to me. So hold on. So now I'm going to take you some basic maths, okay? So what we are going to do here is, listen carefully, a simple calculation. As I told you before, so be attentive, listen carefully. Yes. I am going to provide the subdivision 2-1, the first subdivision of main division 2, and then the second subdivision of main division 2. It is clear? So 1-1, 2-1, 1-2, 2-2. So 1-3 and 2-3. So in that way only you need to provide the name. So you can provide any other name also, but it will be very easy and then helpful for you, okay? So now the width is going to be 100, okay? The width is going to be 100. So I am going to divide, okay? I'm going to divide the width like So this one going to have 40, and then this division is going to have 50 width. Now you can see I am going to provide a 5 gap on the left side plus, listen to me, 5 gap on the left side, and then the first division 40 plus another 5 gap plus 50, the remaining 50. It is clear? So 5 gap from the left side, so 40 of the first division size, 5 gap in the center, and then remaining 50. So if you add this, LHS equal to RHS. So 5 plus 40 plus 5 plus 50 is going to be 100. It is clear, means just type 100 in the chat box. Okay, a very simple. And then the height is going to be 40 height. So 40 viewport height. So here I am going to provide the 100 viewport height. Why Bernie 100 viewport height? I will tell you clearly. So now what we are going to do here is, yes, so 100% is clear. Listen to me. Inside the main division, I am going to create another subdivision. Inside the main division, I am going to create another subdivision. So I'm going to name it as, class name subdivision 2 1. So now what we need to do? Yes. So dot subdivision 2 1. The width is going to be 40 viewport width, and then the height is going to be 40 viewport height. The background color is going to be blue violet. So here you can see that, yes. So this is the height of the subdivision 1. So now what we need to do? We need to move the first subdivision from the left side 5 viewport width. So for that, what we need to do? Definitely we need to provide the absolute property. When we need to place the division absolutely where we need, then definitely we need to provide the, so position absolute from left side, it is going to be 5 viewport width, and here you can see the height is 100. Okay, the height is 100. So now we are going to divide the height as top 30 plus, always clear, top 30 plus the height of the division is going to be 40 plus the remaining bottom is going to be 30. By adding this also, we are going to have the same output, 100. It is clear? So top 30. So the height of the division is going to be 40 and remaining 30. That's why what we are going to do is, from left side it is going to be 5 viewport, 5 gap. From top it is going to be 30 viewport height. Now when we see our output, there is a problem. Okay, so now when we see our output, there is a problem. It is perfectly placed 5 viewport left side. Okay, so top 5 viewport height top. Okay, clear. But it's depend on the main division 2, but it is placed absolutely on the main division 1. Okay, why? So that's why we need to provide the closest relative. Okay, so main division 2. So bro, so subdivision 2 1 bro. So I am your main division. I am your closest relative. You need to be placed absolutely from top 30 viewport height and left 5 viewport width. So for the reason only, we need to provide the position relative, the closest relative. I am your closest relative. I am your geometry box. You need to place the eraser in my box, not in the other box. Okay, so it is clear, means just type super Bernie in the chat box. When we provide the position relative, the closest relative for the main division 2, it will be absolutely placed on the main division 2 from top 30 viewport height, from left side 5 viewport width, and same like that what we are going to do for so division, so class name subdivision 2 2. Yes, so super Barney. Okay, now it is clear. So why we named it as a relative and why we named it as an absolute. So inside the relative container, we are going to place that is an absolute. Okay, so now it's time for subdivision 2 2. What is the height and width? Here you can see the height is going to be, the width is going to be 50, the height is going to be 100. The width is going to be 50, the height is going to be 100. So now the width is going to be 50 viewport width, and then the height is going to be 100 viewport height. Position absolute, and then from right side 0 viewport width. So from right side it is going to be placed as 0 viewport width. And what we need to do, yes, everything perfect. Okay, the background color is going to be brown color. It is clear. Okay, where is the division? Any mistake? Okay, subdivision 2 2. Yes, I got it. Subdivision 2 2. So now you can see, so as we planned, left side 5 black color, blue violet is going to be 40. So center 5 black color, and then right brown color. So same like that. So black, violet, black, and then brown. So and then it is 100 viewport height. Okay, so this division is 100 viewport height. It is only 40 viewport height. So for the reason only it is cover the entire viewport. It is cover only the 40 viewport height. It is clear means just type clear Bharani in the chat box. So now what we need to do is go here. Okay, so go here, search for about Bugatti Veyron, the car name. Okay, so Bugatti Veyron. What we need to do? We need to copy this. So inside the subdivision one, yes, super. Okay, are you guys clear? A very simple one. So now we are going to provide the content inside. Okay, H1 tag. So Bugatti Veyron. Here you can see Bugatti Veyron. And then what is special about Bugatti Veyron? So we are going to copy this paragraph. Okay, we are going to copy this paragraph and copy this, and then below the heading tag, I'm going to provide a paragraph tag. So inside the paragraph tag, I'm going to paste the paragraph. So now you can see that a text and then paragraph is here. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to increase the size, we need to increase the font size, and then color, and then text alignment. So same thing I will tell you clearly, same thing we are going to do now. So inside the subdivision 2.1, inside the subdivision 2.1, the font size should be X large. Here you can see the font size became large. The color is going to be white color. The color is going to be white color. The text align is going to be center. The text align is going to be center. And I'm going to provide a small break tag here. Okay, a break tag before the H1. So because why we need to provide the break tag? How many of you remember this? We universally make the margin 0. That's why the heading tag also don't have any margin. So gap between top and bottom. So for the reason only we are providing a manual break tag here to provide the space. Okay, to provide the space. Now a small break on the top, Okay, guys, listen to me. So before providing break tag, there is no gap between heading and then paragraph. So for the reason only, we are providing break tag between the heading and the paragraph and above the heading. So now ready for the magic. Now ready for the magic. What we need to do? So only thing, remove the background color. The perfect text is placed here. Okay, the perfect text is placed here. It is super. It is super means just type wow Barney in the chat box. So perfectly on the center and then on the left side. So now what we are going to do here is go for images. So go for images. We need to select one particular image. Okay. So we can go for Bugatti Veyron red black. So red to black. And what I'm going to search here is yes, wow Bunny. Okay. So what I'm going to search here is I need portrait. Okay, I need portrait. So portrait means image like this. So this is called as portrait image. It is called as portrait image. So that's why I choose the portrait image. We can choose any kind of image here. Okay, like is that? Or guys, my search is black background. Okay, black background. Okay, done. We need to choose a correct image. Kindly wait for me because the image plays a major role here. Okay. Mhm. So because we need to choose according to our division size. So otherwise the alignment will be changed. Okay, the alignment will be changed. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, so now we can choose this image. Now we can choose this image. I will tell you clearly. Okay. Why there is no portrait image here? Hmm. Sorry for the delay. Wait. Okay, so don't waste time. So I will. Okay, why can't we remove the red color and provide black portrait? Yes. So now what we are going to okay, we will choose this. Okay, it will be perfect. It will be perfect. So wait. So thank you so much for your patience. So now what we are going to do is inside the subdivision 2 inside the subdivision 2 we are going to provide an image tag. We are going to provide an image tag. So inside the source what we are going to do means inside the source what we are going to do means we are going to place the image. Okay, we are going to place the image. So right click copy image address, right click copy image address. I'm going to place the image address inside the source. In our output, okay, the image is very big. The image is very big. What we need to do? So we need to select the particular image. We need to select the particular image inside the subdivision 2. Okay. So dot subdivision 2. The image inside the subdivision 2. The image inside the subdivision 2. The same height and then width. The same height and then width. The image size also going to be same as the size of the division. Now you can see that As I told you before, it is not perfect. Okay, it is not perfect. So why can't we go for another kind of image? Yes. So why can't we go for wait, wait. Okay. So that's why the image is very much important. The concept is clear. The concept clear means just type clear Barney in the chat box. The concept is clear means just type clear Barney in the chat box. I'm waiting for you. Okay. So no images are here. Okay. So no image is perfect for our division size. And then others. Okay. Why no image? Shall we choose this? Shall we? Okay. Okay, I will choose this and try. So copy image address, copy image address. Okay. So concept is clear. The concept is clear. So only the image is not perfectly matched. Okay, done. So now we will see. It is not quality one. Okay, why? Okay, sorry for wasting your time because we need to choose the perfect image. Otherwise, I will tell you something. I will tell you something. So another kind of concept, okay. So another kind of concept. So it will be very useful for us, okay. Yes. So another method. Listen to me. I'm going to provide you another method. Wait. Uh, so for that also we need a car. Okay. So now listen to me. Okay. So now listen to me. We will adapt. Okay. We will adapt. So another new learning. Always excited. So excited means just type excited word in the chat box. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend the width also. Okay, I'm going to extend the width also. 100 viewport width. Okay, I'm going to extend the width also. So here also 100 and here also 100. Yes, excited. Okay, I extended the width. So now what we are going to do is from here we provide a right side 0 viewport width. Now what we are going to do is from left side it is going to be placed from 50 viewport width. Okay, from left side it is going to be placed from 50 viewport width. I am going to copy the address of this image. I am going to copy the address of this image. Copy image address, and then I am going to replace here. The total size is the total size is 100 only, but the 50 percentage only going to be visible. The 50 percentage only going to be visible. The another 50 will be on the other side. Okay, the another 50 will be on the other side. Are you guys clear? The width and height is going to be. You can see that the width is going to be 100. The height is going to be 100. The entire screen size. But we placed from left 50 side means only 50% is going to be visible. So in our normal viewport, when we scroll here, we can easily able to see the full car model. It is clear means just type super burn in the chat box. We can choose a different kind of images for this. Okay, a different kind of images for this. We can choose this image also. I'm going to violet Bugatti black background. Okay. It is clear. So it is a simple concept. It is a simple concept. We can choose any kind of image now. So because we need to show the entire division. Okay, we need to show the entire division. Yes. So same curve. Okay, same curve, but we need to choose the another orientation. Okay. Okay. So we will discuss afterwards. So now, how can we? Okay. So now, my question is, how can we automatically move that division? The concept is over. So now we are going to add some masalas over there. Okay. So how can we automatically move the image from left side 50 to left side 50 to left side 0? So that's why we are going to use the hovering concept. So listen to me, that's why we are going to use the hovering concept. Whenever we are going to hover the main division 2, whenever we are going to hover the main division 2, listen carefully. When we are going to put the cursor on the main division 2 dot, the subdivision 2 2 is going to be moved from left 50 viewport width to left 50 viewport width to left side 0 viewport width. Now you can see the output. So whenever I put the cursor on the main division 2, whenever I put the cursor on the main division 2, it will happen. But we can add transition. Okay, we can add transition. So that's why the slow motion. So transition all we can provide 2 second. Okay, we can provide 2 second. We can provide 2 second. Ease in and out. Now see the output. It is super. Alright guys. So before hovering, it will be like this. After hovering, it will be like this. Okay. The entire core model will be future. It is clear means just type wow burn in the chat box. Okay. So before hovering and then after hovering. Okay. We can provide 4 second means it will take 4 seconds to close the entire window. It will take 4 seconds to close the entire window. I think 3 seconds will be apt. Yes. So whenever we are putting the cursor on the main division 2, whenever we are away from the main division 2, it will be happen. So main division 2, it will be happen. Main division 1, it will be happen. So very simple. It is clear. So that's how we need to provide the. That's how we need to provide the animations. It is clear means. Shall we learn more things? So yes means just type yes burn in the chat box. Shall we learn more things? So as I told you before, it is the concept. It is the concept. What you need to do is you need to apply your creativity. Okay, you need to apply your creativity. So now I'm going to provide you another concept. I'm going to provide you another concept. A transition delay. Okay, a transition delay. So what is that means? So what is that means? Listen to me. Yes, the Bugatti black background. So we are going to provide another division. Okay, we are going to provide another division. Yes. Okay. Yes, but okay, definitely I will teach you. So same thing we are going to do now. Same concept, ditto. Okay. We are going to open another division. We are going to open another division. We are going to name it as class name. We are going to name it as class name subdivision. Class name subdivision 2 3. Okay, class name subdivision 2 3. Here also there is going to be a image. Here also there is going to be a image. Now what we are going to do here is we are going to search for a black color car. Okay, we are going to search for a black color car. Okay, today we are suffering from a lot of models. Yes. Okay, wait. We need a left side orientation car. We need a left side orientation car. Kindly wait. Okay, guys, I got an idea. Okay, I got an idea. I do this in I never do this in any previous batches. Okay, I will teach you. I will teach you. So listen to me. I'm going to copy this image. I'm going to copy this image. Okay, so copy image address. So listen to my creativity very clearly. Okay, listen to my creativity very clearly. So now what we are going to do is same thing, dot subdivision 2 3. Okay, dot subdivision 2 3. The width is going to be 100 viewport width. Same thing. The height is going to be 100 viewport height. Okay. So same like that. Dot subdivision 2 3 image. The image also going to be same. Okay. The image also going to be same height and width. Here you can see the image is placed beyond. Okay. The image is placed beyond. Now what we are going to do here is so position absolute, it is going to be placed on right side, from right side 100 viewport width. Okay, from right side 100 viewport width. You can see. Okay, wait, where is that? Okay guys, we need to provide. Okay, so from right side 100 viewport width, we will completely the image is disappear. Completely the image disappear. Okay, completely the image is disappeared. So now what we are going to do means, from right side means, listen to me. From I will show you. From right side 50 means you can able to see the image. Okay, yes, here you can see. From right side 50 means you can able to see the 50% of the core image. But right side 100 means it will be completely moved to the next side. Okay, it will completely move to the next side. But same like that, after hovering the main division 2. Okay, after hovering the main division 2, the subdivision 2 3 is going to be from left side 0 viewport width. From right side 100, it is going to be left side 0. It is going to be left side 0. Okay, but what we need to do, same, we need to provide the transition. So copy this, and then what we need to provide here is, so inside the subdivision 2 3, the 3-second slow motion is provided. Okay, wait. The subdivision 2 3, subdivision 3, the transition 3 second is provided. Wait. I'm going to open this again. Okay, it is not applicable. It is happening suddenly. Okay, it is happening suddenly. So wait, what is the reason? So transition all, it is provided. Subdivision 2 3. So from right 100 viewport width, everything is provided. So now I am going to try another technique, the transition. Okay, I am going to try another technique, transition delay. Okay, so 3 second. The transition delay is 3 second. Okay, wait. Why is not applicable? Wait, guys. So shall we provide from left side? Okay, shall we provide from left side minus 100 viewport width? Okay, after 3 seconds, yes. The problem is it is not appeared. Okay, so the right is not applicable here. The right is not applied here. It is clear now. Okay, guys, I will tell you about transition delay. So in the left side, listen to me. I will come to you. Yes. So this is my third viewport height and width. Okay, this is my third viewport height and width. It is 100% with 100% height. I defaultly I placed this division left side minus 100. Okay, left side minus 100. From left side is moved to minus 100. So after hovering, it will move to again 100. I mean again 0. Okay, again 0. So it is 0. It is minus 100. It is clear. It is clear means just type clear Bernie in the chat box or wow or super water maybe. Okay. So in default the subdivision 2 3 is minus 100. Default the subdivision to this minus 100. Now what we are doing here is we are moving to left 0 viewport with. Okay, left 0 viewport with. So the transition delay means the transition time is 3 seconds. Okay, the transition time is 1 second or 3 second order maybe. Okay, the transition delay means it will going to happen after 3 seconds of hovering. Organizer, the changing time is 1 second. Listen to me. The changing time is 1 second, but the starting time is 3 seconds. The transition changing time is 1 second, but it will start after 3 seconds of hovering. After 3 seconds of hovering. It is clear now. It is clear me. Just type clear Bernie in the chat box. So listen to me very carefully. Don't compare. So transition time is 1 second. Transition start time. Okay, starting time is equal to 3 seconds. After 3 seconds of hovering only, here you can see 1, 2, 3. So after 3 seconds only, it will change and then move to left 100 viewport, left 0 viewport within 1 second. The changing time is 1 second, but the time taken to change is how much time? 3 seconds. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 1 second. It is clear. It is clear me just type I got it in the chat box. It is clear me just type I got it in the chat box. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide same thing, a lost concept. Not 0 viewport, only 50 viewport. Okay, so 50 viewport. And then here also we can provide just 2 seconds. Okay, just 2 seconds. So after 3 seconds, it will be move up to this side. Okay, it will be move up to 0. Okay, not 0. So not plus 50. It is going to be minus 50. Okay, yes. So minus 50. Okay. Are you guys clear? Yes, I got it. So after this, it will be move here. So like minus 50. You can provide like this. Okay, you can provide like this. A very simple thing. Okay, a very simple thing. Yes. Are you guys clear now? So in this manner, you can able to do anything. Okay, in this manner, you can able to do anything. The concept is same. The concept is same. The logic is going to be up to your creativity. The logic is going to be up to your creativity. The class is over. The class is over. So kindly don't ask me the source code. As I told you before, if you have any doubt means you can ask me in our portal. Okay, so the community link which I provided you. So shall we choose this image? Copy image address. I'm going to replace this. We can see our output. Okay. Yes. So after 3 seconds, the output will be changed. Okay? After 3 seconds, the output will be changed. It is super. Yes. So that's why the image we need to choose need to be perfect. Okay. The image we need to choose need to be perfect one. Okay, guys, be proud. This is our complete website after day 6 and day 7. So after scrolling, you can see. So this is our complete website. It is our main division 1. The table tag also provided here. And then it is our main division 2. After 3 seconds, within 1 second, it will be slide from left minus 100 to left 0 viewport with. You can also provide names here. Okay, you can also provide name here. So using some absolute property. Yes, the class is officially over. But how many of you need this source code and then recording videos? Just type I need in the chat box. So because I'm going to provide you the last and then final opportunity. So some people maybe suffer due to the availability of money. Okay, so that's why I am going to provide the internship. The internship is available today. The internship is available today. Link will be shared in your Telegram group or WhatsApp group. So click and then after payment, as usual, wait for the payment successful page. The VIP group will be VIP group link will be provided for you. You can easily join our VIP group directly using the link. Okay, the payment link will be provided in your link WhatsApp group or Telegram group. Yes, I need. Okay, so because so in our live, I cannot able to clear all your doubt. I cannot able to provide you the source code, but in that WhatsApp group, I can able to clear your doubt, and then it is not only for your technical knowledge. There will be resume building classes, and then communication daily Q&A. So you can utilize that. It is going to be your last and then final day. So after payment, wait for the VIP group. Otherwise, don't worry. Otherwise, don't worry, everything will be provided for you within tomorrow afternoon. Within tomorrow afternoon, everything will be provided for you. So kindly give the correct WhatsApp number, correct name, and then email ID. Okay, so no attendance link, more than 70% reader for the today's attendance, and minimum 25 days enough to get a free certificate. The 30 days is completely free. It is for your knowledge. You need to learn more, and if you need this support and then growth means you can join with us. Okay, yes. So thank you so much, guys. Kindly don't ask me the code in the community link. The code is provided. Everything is provided on our internship. The knowledge is also provided. Yes. So thank you so much. See you soon and bye bye. So we will see on our day 8, and don't miss the day 8, the JavaScript class. Yes, the link will be provided in your Telegram group, okay, and then WhatsApp group. So kindly go and check that. After the payment, hold on for 15 seconds. You will definitely get a VIP group directly, okay. So bye bye. Thank you so much. Happy night, and I hope you enjoyed the first 7 days class. Take care, guys.